Public anger is increasing in Madhya Pradesh after the alleged rape of a 6-year-old girl in Raisen district. 3 days after the incident, State Congress President Jeetu Patwari visited AIMS Hospital and met the injured child. Patwari became emotional after seeing her condition and called the accused a monster. He demanded immediate arrest and strict punishment. Patwari also questioned the law and order situation, saying almost 20 such crimes happen every day in the state. He urged the Chief Minister to take strong action and ensure better safety for young girls across Madhya Pradesh. A major protest broke out at a VIT college in Kotri village after when students complained about poor food and unsafe drinking water in the hostel. They said many students fell sick with jaundice because of contaminated water and some had to be admitted to Chirayu Hospital in Bhopal. Angry students set several vehicles on fire and damaged college property during the late-night protest. Police teams from 4 nearby stations reached the campus and brought the situation under control. Officers showed the students that their problem would be solved soon and strict action would be taken. Dr. Rohini Ghavri, former girlfriend of Nagina MP Chandrasekhar Azad, could not attend his rally in Indore. She posted on social media that her visa renewal was delayed and she could not leave Switzerland in time for the event. She also shared that the Women Commission has taken note of her case and processes moving forward. Earlier conversation and dispute between Azad and Rohini had gone viral, making people curious about her presence. Supporters kept discussing her absence, but the rally continued normally and attracted a large crowd. Ujjain is set to receive a new Akashvani center as Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will inaugurate the facility this evening around 4:30 p.m. Union Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Dr. L. Murugan will also attend. The center will broadcast on FM 102.5 MHz and is expected to provide new job opportunities for youth in the region. It will also help spread information related to Simhastha and other religious and cultural events. Residents of Ujjain and nearby areas will get better access to news, education and cultural programs through the new center. Police in Gwalior have arrested 3 accused connected to the firing incident in Sadar Bazaar. The arrested men include Himanshu Yadav from Jhansi, Gursarai and 2 others from Auraiya and Bhind. CCTV footage showed them entering a jewelry shop and firing inside, creating panic among shopkeepers and customers. Traders demanded strict action, saying such criminals should face strong punishment. Police officials said the investigation is progressing quickly and more arrests may follow. Security has been tightened in the area to prevent further incidents and reassure local citizens. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav joined the Narmada Pravah Yatra Unity March in Indore on Tuesday. The march, organized to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, began from Nagpur and received a warm welcome in Indore. Large crowd gathered to participate and many social groups greeted the march. During his speech, the Chief Minister paid tribute to Sardar Patel and said that many great personalities did not receive proper respect in history. The march will continue through Dhar and Jhabua before heading towards Kothra in Gujarat. In Khandwa district, PWD Minister Rakesh Singh performed Bhumi Pujan for major development projects in Omkareshwar and Pandhana. The project costing rupees 115 crore include the construction of new roads, bridges and culverts. Addressing the ceremony, the minister warned contractors that poor quality work would not be tolerated and such contractor would be blacklisted. He stressed that timely completion and high quality construction are the government's priority. Many local residents, officials and representatives attended the event and welcomed the announcement of these long-awaited development works. The Brahmin community protested in Narmadapuram against IAS officer Santosh Verma, who recently became the state president of the Ajax Association. People said his remarks about the Brahmin community were deeply offensive and created anger in society. Protesters gathered at the Collectorate Gate and Kotwali police station demanding that an FIR be registered. They said such a statement disturbed peace and unity in the region. A large number of community members participated and urged the administration to take fair and strict action to prevent such incidents in the future. Cold winds returned to many parts of Madhya Pradesh on Wednesday, bringing a slight drop in daytime temperatures. However, night in several cities including Bhopal and Indore remained slightly warmer than earlier this week. Meteorologists said a change in wind direction is causing warm nights but cool days. Light fog was reported in Gwalior and Chambal region early in the morning. The weather department has forecast dry condition for the next 2 days with no major rainfall expected. People are advised to take precaution as temperatures may drop again at night.